नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम्।
Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Sangeeta Seva. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Sangeeta Priya Sangeeta Avadharaya. नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। Nityananda. During today's Seva, we'll be watching and understanding a very beautiful Leela played by Swamiji, Bhagavan, along with one of his mentors, gurus, called Ram Sarup Kumar, who lived in the graveyards, in the cremation grounds, completely against all societal conditioning. And so this song describes Paramashiva, just like that, living in the cremation grounds, beyond breaking all ideas of societal conditioning and just glorifying his raw form as he is.
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् 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 ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्.
The next offering is the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Nitya Seva. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanakoti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Nritta Priya Nritta Vadharaya.
highest level of consciousness. I am witness to the rising demand and popularity from the burning hut of Bhagwan, set on fire by two extremist forces. Those forces who forced him to leave the country. Those forces who forced him to make the contact of thousands of people of this unavailable. Those forces who forced the life of an incarnation itself into threat. And I am also the witness to his divine intelligence that stood up to create a nation in spite of these extremist forces. Today, I am witness to millions of prayers, to an ending offering into the sacred fire. Protect him, to see him, to experience his touch, the yearning of millions of people. Today, millions yearn for his darshan, for his word, for his touch. What if time, cosmos, had been gracious enough to let us experience him more? It once had been so. I am witness to the greatest incident, never to be missed by any individual, and it is my responsibility to educate all of you all, to reveal to all of you all these great incidents that still makes having Bhagwan available to humanity. Bhagwan, when he was 10 years old, used to visit Guru Yogiram Surat Kumar, who guided Bhagwan into various aspects of offerings, what is today called as mysticism. One day, Ram Surat Kumar was sitting casually smoking his bead as a young 10-year-old boy, Rajashekharan, the young Swami, ran to Yogi Ram Surat Kumar to sit at his feet. Yogi Ram Surat Kumar casually, very lovingly offered the bead to Bhagwan. Swamiji, being an young orthodox boy from a very orthodox family, his hand shivered, was not able to stretch out instantly. He hesitated. His lips quivered of not knowing whether to deny his very master or whether to accept of what is considered sacrilegious. realizing that Bhagwan was not completely surrendered and not ready to accept the BD, Yogiram Surat Kumar held Bhagwan by the shoulder and blew him hard with the smoke that filled Yogiram Surat Kumar's mouth. Bhagwan had a very strange yet intense experience that pulled him into a very extraordinary state. He didn't know what was happening, but all he could experience was an intense phase of uninterruptedness, an intense phase of intoxicated oneness and samadhi. Bhagwan, who was in a too young a body to be able to understand, but to be able to explain to the others, was left with this exuberant bliss that filled his being. And experiencing just this intense samadhi by receiving one blow and smoke by Yogiram Surat Kumar, Swamiji realized that he has missed something big by refusing the bead. He ran to Yogiram Surat Kumar, pleading for another chance, begging him for another chance to experience, to smoke the bead, this time with the clarity that he won't deny when the Master offers, with the realization that there is no orthodoxy that's greater than listening to what the Master tells. Yogiram Surat Kumar very lovingly denies the opportunity. He explains that once an opportunity is missed, it is missed and can't be offered again. Walks back to his home, not knowing what to do and pondering over his lost opportunity. Years later, Bhagavan, now as a realized avatar, as the founder of Sri Nityananda Theekar, the Kailasa movement, as an enlightened master, as an avatar, who guides thousands of people into enlightenment, who gives the extraordinary powers as an experience to millions of people who yearn and seek for his blessings. His Divine Holiness, Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashiva, now as an enlightened avatar, he now goes to meet his Guru, Yogiram Surat Kumar, to meet him when he was on his deathbed. For the one last time, meeting Yogiram Surat Kumar after having the intense experience, seeing the charisma and grace of Swamiji, Yogiram Surat Kumar immediately realized that this is the right time and blessed Swamiji Parampara, the unending lineage of avatars that has happened in the sacred city of Tiruvannamalai, Yogiram Suratkumar declared to all of his devotees and disciples that it is Paramashiva who has come down in the form of His Divine Holiness, Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Paramashiva. And Yogiram Suratkumar praises and blesses everybody, declaring Swamiji as a continuation of the avatar group, the unending, unbroken lineage of avatars in the sacred city of Tiruvannamalai. You see this as an opportunity. Bhagavan decided to ask Yogiram Suratkumar something that he had been yearning for. Bhagavan, in front of all the other devotees and disciples, asked Yogiram Suratkumar again if he could smoke the very bidi that Yogiram Suratkumar had smoked and offered years before. Yogiram Suratkumar, the enlightened consciousness, understanding the purpose of Avatar's word, tells in front of everybody that the doors once closed is closed. Even if 1,000 other doors might open, the doors that was once shut can never be opened again. Playing this Leela, Swamiji strategically explained to all of us the importance of Guru and Guruva. He risked postponing his very own superconscious breakthrough just to ensure that he makes it clear to the world about the power and importance of Guruva. Just by this one incident of Swamiji, who is the very embodiment of Paramashiva, denying the bidi offered by Yogiram Suratkumar himself, beautifully demonstrated sacrifice and gave an example to the humanity of what happens when you deny, when you even have a second thought when the master offers something. Me, Dhumika, request all of you, do not make this sacrifice of His Divine Holiness go in vain. Do not ever take His words for granted, because it is rare to see an avatar. It is even more rare to have an avatar who is living, who sacrifices himself for the sake of the superconscious breakthrough for the humanity. It is precious to hear His words, and you are all chosen to feel connected to Him. You are all here for greater good than you cognize. Let you all learn from His story, His divine Leela. Today, He has opened the doors of Kailasa. Make it in before it shuts. Remember, as a witness of His very own Leela, I am telling you all, once a door closes, Even if 1,000 other doors may open, the door once closed is closed. Today, as He has opened the doors of Kailasa, let us all use this opportunity to enter and experience the enlightenment through this door of Kailasa. Me, Dhumika, am eager to be the witness to the growing numbers of Kailasa, the growing numbers of Kailaya-vasis, the enlightened beings, the enlightened avatars who live in the enlightened ecosystems of Kailasa. Let me, Dhumika, be the witness in the emitting smoke of the knowledge torches, leading the world to become part of Kailasa. O humanity, me, Dhumika, am requesting you all to become part of this sacred sacrifice of the avatar. Let us all eternally be part of this divine mission.
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् 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 ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
अदद्धूपः ॐ धोरसि धोर्वधोर्वं तं धोर्वतय्यो ओष्मान् धोर्वति तं धोर्वयं वयं धोर्वामः नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरि परमेश्वराय नमः धूपं आग्रापयामि अदद्दीपः ॐ उद्दीप्यश्वतात वेद पत्नीर्रतं मम पशोकष्टमख्यमावह जीवनं सदिशो दिशा मानोहिगुं श्रीजातवेदो कामस्त्वं वर्षं जगते अभिप्रदग्न आगयिष्यामा परिपात्य श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरि परमेश्वराय नमः दीपं दर्शयामि अत नैवेद्यम् ॐ अमृते अमृतोद्भवे अमृतवर्षिणि अमृतश्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरि परमेश्वराय नमः अमृतं महानैवेद्यं निवेदयामि मङ्गलनीराजनम् ॐ न तत्र सूर्यो भान्ति न चन्द्रतारकं मे मा वित्तिकृतो भान्तिकृतोऽयमग्निः तमेव भान्तम् अनुभाति सर्वं तस्य वाचा सर्वं विदं विभाति नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति समेत नित्यानन्देश्वरि परमेश्वराय नमः मङ्गलनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि पुष्पाञ्जलिः योपां पुष्पं वेद पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति चन्द्रमा वा अपां पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति समेत नित्यानन्देश्वरि परमेश्वराय नमः मन्त्रपुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि देवदेवोत्तमदेवता सार्वभौम अखिलाण्डकोटि ब्रह्माण्डनायक श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरि परमेश्वर आशीर्वाद प्रिय आशीर्वादम् अवधारयात् ओम स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी शस्यशालिनी तेषां क्षोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सिन्धु निर्भयाः इति स्वस्ति मन्त्रार्थाः सत्याः सबला भवन्तु इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तु तथास्तु अपुत्रा पुत्रिणः सन्तु पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अतनाः सदनाः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदशतम् इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तु तथास्तु दुर्जनः सज्जनो भूयात् सज्जनः शान्तिमाप्नुयात् शान्तो मुच्चैकबन्धेभ्यः मुत्तक्षाम्या विमोचयेत् इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तु तथास्तु राजा धर्मप्रतिः प्रताशचरिताः पूजाधना सज्जनाः षट्कर्मप्रवरा द्विजाः प्रतिदिनं विद्या अनवद्या सदा वाणिः सन्निहिता शिरं कविमुखैः सानन्दमव्याकुलाः सर्वे सन्तु वैदिकधर्मानुष्ठाधारः सौजन्यसन्तोषिणः इति स्वस्तिमन्त्रार्थाः सत्याः सबला भवन्तु इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तु तथास्तु येषां देवदेवानां महादेवानाम् अखिलाण्डकोटिब्रह्माण्डनायकानां सकलभूषिष्टिसिंहारतिरोभावानुग्रहाख्य पञ्चकृत्यपरायणानाम् आदिमध्यान्तरहितानाम् अप्रमेयपराक्रमाणां तत्त्वार्थगोचराणां श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमेश्वरस्वरूपाणां श्री आदिगुरुर्निगिरियोगीश्वरस्वरूपाणां श्री कालभैरव महाकालीश्वरूपाणां श्री कैलासोन्नतत्वादशान्तश्यामलापीठारूढानां श्री मीनाक्षी सुन्दरेश्वराभिन्नस्वरूपाणां परशुपुत्ररत्नकुमार गुरुमन्यतुल्यावताराणां श्री पार्वतीस्तन्यभानुलब्धविज्ञानविश्रुत सकलनिगमागमसारभूत द्राविडवेदप्रवक्तॄणां श्रीमत्परमशिवकरुणासमतिगतमुक्तां ये चतुरश्रयान् गीयमानचित्रनामर श्रीचिन्नकाहलाति समस्तबिरदावल्यलङ्कृतानां ज्ञानविज्ञानचक्रवर्तीनां सर्वजनसङ्घसिद्ध्यो निर्वाणदीक्षाव्ययापवर्गाणां वर्गवर्षाणां विश्राणानां धीमूतानां परमतकलभकेशरीणां शैवसिद्धान्तस्थापनाचार्याणां श्रीराजाधिराजपाण्ड्यमहाराजगुरूणां क्षिपणशाक्यादिमहान्तकारनिवारणज्ञानभानूनां वीक्षणानरारध्वजोच्छेदनपूर्वक श्रीमद्ऋषभध्वजस्थापकानां कैलासपुनरुद्धारकानां कैलासपुनरुद्धारकानां जगद्गुरूणां श्रीलश्रीभगवत् श्री नित्यानन्द परमेश्वर श्री ज्ञानसम्बद्धदेशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां पादारविन्दयोः भक्तिसिद्धिः समेषां सककुटुम्बानां सकलैश्वर्यप्राप्तिः गुरुकृपाकटाक्षसिद्धिः क्षेमस्थैर्यवीर्यविजय आयुरारोग्य ऐश्वर्याणाम् अभिवृद्धिः अरोगदृढगात्तदा सिद्धिः आसिन्द्रार्थवंशाभिवृद्धिः धर्मार्थकामोक्षधरुतबलपुरुषान्तसिद्धिः सर्वेषां मनसा सिद्धिसत्कार्यानुकूलसिद्धिः सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपस्य भगवत् श्री नित्यानन्दपरमशिवदेवस्य पादारविन्दयोः अचञ्चला भक्तिसिद्धिः भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव प्रसादेन सकुटुम्बस्य ज्ञानवैराग्यजीवन्मुक्तिप्राप्तिश्च भूयात् इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तो तथास्तु सर्वे जनाः सुखिनः सन्तु तथास्तु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु तथास्तु समस्त सम्मङ्गलानि सन्तु तथास्तु सर्वत्र नित्यानन्दध्वजारोहणं भवतु तथास्तु सर्वेषां भगवान् श्री भगवत् श्री नित्यानन्द परमशिव श्री ज्ञानसम्बन्धदेशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां परिपूर्णकृपाकटाक्षसिद्धिः अस्तु तथास्तु अयं धर्मः उत्तरोत्तरम् अभिवृद्धिरस्तु तथास्तु सर्वं भगवत् श्री नित्यानन्द परमशिव पादुकार्पणमस्तु ॐ नित्यानन्दम् मङ्गलं कल्पवृक्षाय मङ्गलं ज्ञानदायिने सदाशिवाय श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वराय मङ्गलम् मङ्गलं श्रीविद्याम्बायै मङ्गलं कामदायिन्यै सर्वमङ्गलधात्र्यै नित्यानन्देश्वर्यै मङ्गलं मङ्गलं गुरुदेवाय मोक्षमूलाय मङ्गलं परावतार नित्यानन्दाय गुरवे मङ्गलं मूलमन्त्रं यथाशक्ति जप्त्वा जपं समर्प्य ॐ यत्किञ्चित् कर्म देवेश सदा सुकृतदुष्कृतं तन्मे शिवपदस्तस्य भोंशभयङ्कर शिवो दाता शिवो भोक्ता शिवः सर्वमिदं जगत् शिवो यतिथि सर्वत्र यः शिवः सोऽहमेव तु ॐ पूर्णमतः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ तत्सत् सर्वं भगवत् श्री नित्यानन्द परमशिव पादुकार्पणमस्तु ॐ नित्यानन्दम्